Feeling overwhelmed by complex photo editing tools, or spending countless hours just to select an object? Say hello to the Object Selection tool in Adobe Photoshop. It's your quickest route to precise object selections. You'll find it in your toolbar. It's the one that looks like a lasso with a rectangle and lasso icon. With this selection is a breeze. Open an image. Let's select a red sports car that you'll see in your image. Use the rectangle mode. Click and drag to encircle it. Photoshop will analyze the area and make an initial selection. See that marching ants? That's your selection. Feeling more creative? Use the lasso mode to freehand draw around it. Photoshop does its magic. Notice the difference how the selections are made. Time to refine. Use the adjustment options at the top. Add or subtract from the selection. Further refine edges for absolute precision. Now you can isolate and edit this car. And there it is. Super fast, super easy and super precise selection. Try the Object Selection tool and supercharge your editing. It's a lifesaver.